What's up, y'all? Welcome back to MsVegan's channel. So today we're going to be making Baby Bok Choy. We're going to be grilling it with just a handful of ingredients that make it super delicious. And not only does it taste good, it's packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that make this a perfect addition for your balanced diet. Let's get started.
We want to take our Baby Bok Choy and cut it in half, and then we'll go ahead and give it a good rinse and then make sure to pat it dry all the way through. And now we want to go ahead and heat around 2 tablespoons of sesame oil in a pan over medium-high heat. We'll add in our Baby Bok Choy cut side down. And we want to let that sit and cook until it gets nice and golden and caramelized, usually about 8 to 10 minutes depending on your stovetop. And then we'll flip over each of our Baby Bok Choys. Once they've all been flipped, we want to go ahead and pour in roughly a 1/4 cup of our soy sauce. And then we'll go ahead and sprinkle in a few pinches of crushed red pepper. And then let that cook for a little bit. And then what I like to do is flip it once more so that the sauce gets fully incorporated into all of the bok choy's stems and leaves. We'll let it cook for a few more minutes until it's nice and saucy, and then we want to go ahead and flip it back over so the cut side is up. And once they've been flipped and the sauce is thickened, we'll go ahead and turn off the heat. And then we'll garnish it with more crushed red pepper and a little bit of black sesame seeds. And there you have the most delicious Baby Bok Choy. And now all that's left to do is plate it up and enjoy. I like to serve this sometimes with some rice, some teriyaki tofu, you name it, it goes delicious with almost anything.
And now, the taste test. My favorite part, obviously. It already looks so delicious, it smells good. It's so delicious. It's packed with flavor. It's got that perfect crunch. It's been grilled, so it's a little caramelized. 2 thumbs up from MsVegan. I'll go ahead and leave the recipe in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more fun stuff coming soon. Thanks for watching. See ya!